If you ever experienced groping in the dark, you might know the necessity of a flashlight. Due to the pocket space limitation, most people are reluctant to carry large flashlights. Thankfully, the modern LED industry has evolved. For that, today, we have pocket-sized flashlights, and the Keychain flashlight is one of its kind that we can carry every single day. And therefore, we've come up with these 5 best Keychain flashlights for ETC in today's video. So, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Although we have put the KEYSMART Nano torch last on our list, it doesn't mean that it boasts low quality features. From 25 lumens of power, this Nano torch contains all the essential features that an ideal Keychain flashlight should have. It is manufactured from heavy-duty stainless steel, making it rugged. It will not bend, break, or even rust. Besides featuring a durable design, the Keychain flashlight is portable, weighing less than an ounce. Another salient feature of this Keychain flashlight is its easy on and off function. With a quick twist, you can illuminate this powerful LED flashlight in seconds. Overall, the KEYSMART Nano torch will meet any outdoor goer's requirements with its ergonomic design and features. MecArmy manufactures innovative outdoor stuffs. The renowned brand never fails to impress its consumers with its products, which you will understand after going through the features of the MecArmy SGN1. This handheld flashlight is highly durable thanks to its hard anodizing aluminum alloy construction. Besides ensuring optimum longevity, this material can withstand water and snow, making the light convenient to carry. The Keychain flashlight's most fantastic feature is its illuminating power. It comes with 530 lumens of power and has got a maximum beam distance of around 91 meters. So you can use this to light up your room, a path, or any other road. Apart from that, this mini flashlight provides 4 different modes for everyday use. You can choose from ultra low, low, mid, and high modes as per your needs. There is also one strobe mode, which users can quickly access with a triple click while being an emergency. Last but not the least feature is its run time. The MecArmy SGN1 conveniently runs for up to 10.2 hours thanks to its lithium polymer battery. In conclusion, this highly portable mini rechargeable flashlight comes with plenty of functions that you'll find useful in the dark. The Prometheus Beta QR-V2 flashlight is a compact outdoor tool helping you find items in your pack. It has a quick-release design, enabling you to detach the flashlight from your keychain when you need it. Engineers have used premium aluminum materials to make this flashlight lightweight and reliable. Besides, they give it an ergonomic design to ensure an excellent fit in the user's palm. The Keychain light provides exceptional clarity everywhere as it is engineered to work in concert with the human visual system and 92+ color rendering index LED. The everyday carry flashlight contains 3 light modes: low, medium, and high. The low mode is for bedtime, offering 1 lumen of power. The medium mode is for finding lost gears, providing 15 lumens, and the high mode is for lighting up the walking path. In a nutshell, the Prometheus Beta QR-V2 is a standard flashlight and appropriate for people who prefer carrying light everywhere. Famous for its professional technology, Rovyvon Aurora A3 is a highly impact-resistant and water-resistant flashlight that features exceptional portability, fast charging, and other essential features. The Aurora A3's most salient features is its brightness. You may not find any other flashlight offering 650 lumens of power in this range. Not only that, but its beam can also reach up to 80 meters, making your outdoor adventure brighter and more convenient. This flashlight contains 4 different modes: ultra low, low, mid, and high. Plus, it has got a strobe mode that users can access with a triple click. Overall, the flashlight is packed with advanced features, and you may try it for a next outdoor session, that's for sure. Like the other high-quality flashlights, it also supports fast charging. It features a micro USB charging port, which users can use to recharge the flashlight's battery within 70 minutes. In a sense, the Rovyvon Aurora A3 is a durable, portable, and affordable flashlight that can be a perfect companion for everyday carry. Nitecore has been holding the top position in the LED lighting and battery industry for more than a decade. The brand has a reputation for manufacturing premium quality flashlights, and their Nitecore TIP SE is undoubtedly an impressive keychain flashlight from the brand itself. This flashlight features dual LED emitters delivering the brightness of up to 700 lumens. Such beams are enough to light up your pathways. Alongside that, this flashlight comes with 4 light modes that are low, mid, high, and turbo. The keychain lights other significant features of that it contains a USB Type-C port for fast charging, offers an excellent battery life of up to 50 hours, intelligent battery indicator, and the list goes on. This EDC flashlight is pretty lightweight, weighing less than an ounce, and therefore you can comfortably carry it with you anywhere and everywhere. The Nitecore TIP SE will quickly deal with your outdoor needs, and you may use it as your go-to EDC flashlight if you're looking for the best overall option for yourself. So that was all about the 5 best keychain flashlights for EDC just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.